Hi, I'm Bill from Journey Beyond. We've been sent a set of 7-inch amber lights from Suparee. They've asked that we do an install and a review. So we're going to put these on our 2023 Jeep Gladiator. Get a nice light. Feels very substantial, feels like aluminum, got a nice big heat sink. Feels quality. And the 7-inch light is actually including your ditch lights on the side. The actual diameter is more of a 5 3/4, I would say. You got your spot in the middle, and you got your floods, and you got your ditch lights on the side. Let's get these on and see how they do. They have stainless hardware, that's good. So good for corrosion or rust. We're mounted up, and we'll go ahead and snug them down, I believe. And we'll do the other side and repeat. That's good. Now, as far as wiring, ordinarily, I would go find some 3-wire to hook all these up and run them to my aux system that I have in here. In small town America on a Sunday, that's not really possible, so I'm going to utilize what I have here on the bench and make it work. So I do have some 2-wire and some single wire and some loom, and I'm going to wire it up and put it in the loom and run it to the aux system. So we're going to go from the lights to our auxiliary switch box right here.
You're saying you're a hillbilly?
I don't know, have a look and see what you think. We're on a hill, and then there's me. Been installed. We've had a few days with them. We've done some night trail riding, a little bit of driving on the road, and I just wanted to do a comparison with the 3 different lights that we now have on our vehicles. So these are branded Rough Country, made by Raxium. I end up replacing these about every 2 years because they just die. They're about $100. They do come with a harness and a switch and a relay setup. Handy to just throw on and use for a couple of years. They're throwaways, and you replace them. They're just simple white LED lights, about a 4-inch. Another comparable light for the money. These are made by Grote, or Grote, G-R-O-T-E, however you want to pronounce it. They're basically just a work light. I mean, they have a good, strong rubber housing. These have been on there probably about 5 years. However, they are starting to act up. So, I mean, I think they're ending their lifespan quite soon. So you give them a little tap, sometimes they'll come back on. This is a KC Highlight light bar. It's been on there for 5 years. It's about $900. never have an issue, always works fine, and probably never will, but that's a lot of money for the light. Compared to what we're now going to try out, which is the Suparee lights we've just installed. Same money as the Rough Country Raxim, but a lot more features. No, you don't get a harness or a switch, so you have to be prepared to acquire what you need for your vehicle, whether wiring, relays, or switches. But when it's all said and done, you can get them in amber or white. You do have spots in the center, you have floods on the outside, and you have ditch lights. So that's a lot of features. There's a lot to like about these lights out of the box so far in the first couple of days. Yeah, it's cool to have spots, it's cool to have floods. You have a lot more pattern area ditch lights to boot. Because to get all of those features, if you go that route, you really need to put the ditch lights up there, which I've done. And I don't have ambers anywhere, and I don't have spots. I do like these lights in the fact that they're stainless. My Rough Country are just painted black. I guess the old Grote lights up there, Grote lights, are stainless brackets. But in all honesty, me being just the average guy that has to answer to his wife, $100 with all these features really is a pretty good deal. So I'm going to give them a try. How will they look 2 years from now? Well, we're going to find out, because they will circle the country a couple of times in that time. And they will be in deep river crossings, they'll be on snow-capped mountains, and they're going to cross deserts. Will they look like the Rough Countries in 2 years? Keep watching the channel, you'll find out.
So if you want to be a part of those adventures, make sure to subscribe to Journey Beyond Overland so you can enjoy every moment. Until next time, go out and find your own adventure.